Good morning. This is Dr. Astronomy from Holmes Astronomy, and I'm all beat up and can't sleep, and it's 5 a.m., so I got some astronomy for you. We got this morning a waning crescent moon in conjunction with the planet Jupiter. Well, it actually won't be in conjunction until about 5 p.m., but we won't be able to see it then. So while it's in the sky now, I'm going to get us some pictures of that waning crescent moon and of the planet Jupiter, which are in conjunction with one another. So let's check it out. Let's take a look at it first in the star chart so we know where to look in the sky. Okay, for this event, looking in the east between 70 degrees and 80 degrees, we have the moon at 30 degrees elevation and the planet Jupiter at 25. All right, now that we got a bead on where they're going to be at, where they're at now, let's take a look at them in the telescope. Let's start off with that waning crescent moon. And here we have some progressively more close-up shots of that waning crescent moon to give you an idea what that looks like. And now let's zoom in on that moon a little bit and track it across the sky for a moment. And now let's just take a look at that moon tracking across the sky for just a moment. Watch it moving up to the southeast. There, that's good. That gets us the general idea of what it's doing. And now let's move on to our second target, the planet Jupiter. And here we have some progressively larger shots of the planet Jupiter and her moons. And let's zoom in and track Jupiter and her moons. And there we have the planet Jupiter and her moons, following the moon, tracking southeast across the sky. And now let's take one last look at that waning crescent moon and Jupiter in a picture a little farther back in perspective so we can see them together in conjunction. There we got that waning crescent moon on top and Jupiter on the bottom, and their proximity to one another shows them in conjunction. And friends and neighbors, that was the waning crescent moon in conjunction with the planet Jupiter. Well, almost in conjunction with the planet Jupiter. But we can't see it at 5 p.m., so we're getting it at 5 a.m. So there you have it. Now, I got stuff to do today, so I hope you enjoy this. Hope you learned something from it. And I will catch you all later.